Look at this. The Hoover Dam. Well, good fun in Vegas last night. We didn't go far really, just kind of kicked around in the Hard Rock Hotel, which I have to say is an absolute toilet. Yeah, don't even think about staying there. The place needs a complete refit. It was absolutely stinking, the whole place, but we had fun. Angus sloped off to bed after a couple of Jack Daniels. He was being a bit of a big girl's blouse. I managed to stay up a bit longer and have a little spin on the tables and won a couple of quid. So that was fun. Today's going to be great. Hoover Dam, Grand Canyon. Can't wait. Look at this. The Hoover Dam, just outside of Vegas. Remember this from the Bond movies where he jumps over the top? Oh my god. So today, day 2 of the Coast to Coast tour, and we're all excited. Here we are at Hoover Dam, which is only about 50 kilometers outside of Vegas. But today we're all going at the Grand Canyon, which I've never seen before, so I'm really looking forward to that. And then tonight we're going to try and get near Winslow, Arizona, standing on the corner. So that's what we're going to try and do tonight. But it's a big day, so we probably won't get there till about 8 o'clock tonight. It's about 8-9 hours of riding today, so it's a long one. But what a night last night in Vegas, and the route coming in through the desert was like spectacular. And it's got to go down for me in history. It was just the coolest thing I have ever done. It was like iconic, you know. The guys have got their speakers playing on the Harleys, and got the Eagles going on, and some Eagles music going on, and Torsten's got the music from the good, the bad, and the ugly, and it was just crazy, fabulous. Bit of a windy road to get in here to the Hoover Dam, but definitely worth a visit. We're all done now, back on the bikes. It's a blistering hot day. I think I've gone and burnt myself whilst looking at all the sights, but I'm going to get cracking now towards the Grand Canyon. We've got a hell of a ride ahead, so let's get moving. Oh my god! Just had 20 bikes come charging past us there, and they're all biker chicks. They've all got big tattoos, crazy hair. Give us the nastiest look you've ever seen when they came past. I wouldn't like to get in an argument with these birds, I can tell you. But what a sight, incredible. Let's see if we can keep up with them. I've been going a couple of hours now in a straight line. I tell you what, the hardest bit here is keeping yourself awake. We're in the middle of nowhere. We're in Breaking Bad country. See, me, there's some right weirdos kicking about here. But time for a stop. Got to pull over, take some protein bars and have a quick drink. I tell you what, otherwise I'm going to pass out. Excellent, we've just jumped onto Route 66 for a little bit here, and it's really interesting. All the way along the road you've got these memorabilia stores selling t-shirts and hats and all sorts of badges, but the roads aren't in great condition, but you just got to do it. Route 66, fantastic.
Grand Canyon.
Look at that. Grand Canyon. Seen it, done it. Let's go. Headley made us come here. He's a bit of a sightseer, Headley, it must be said. And then it's quite impressive, actually.
It's quite impressive.
It's quite impressive. I mean, until you get to here and see a hole in the ground, you go like, what's all the big deal about? But now we're here, it is a big hole in the ground. Probably the biggest hole in the ground I've seen. Headley's been doing a bit of rimming today as well. We're on the south rim. He likes a bit of rimming.
So we were planning coming here yesterday, but we kind of didn't make it on time. So we ended up staying down the road in Flagstaff, and then this morning we've come up here. Job lost his phone, left it in the restaurant. You know, like, oh my God, it's like having children. But anyway, today we've took a bit of local advice today, and we've changed the route completely, and we're going up into Colorado today. I'm going to go near the Rockies, and we're going to stay in this town apparently, which is fantastic in the middle of nowhere. So really looking forward to that. We've still got about 5 hours riding to go, but look at this, man, it's spectacular. All these people from all over the world, yeah, and us as well. Fantastic, doesn't get any better than this. One bar. It's a city, by the way.
It's a city and there's only one bar.
It's a city that only has 3-star hotels. It's a bit like Middlesbrough, yeah?
We thought we were coming out of Middlesbrough.
And it's got one bar.
Middlesbrough's got more bars. I think Middlesbrough's better. So next we're going to Albuquerque.
Albuquerque?
No, we're going to get Santa Fe tomorrow.
Yeah.
Santa Fe tomorrow.
Oh,
Who's waiting for me there? Every lonely city.
Here we go.
Is where my baby's at. Is this the way to Amarillo? Every night I be hugging my pillow, dreaming dreams of Amarillo. Sweet Marie who waits for me.
If you enjoyed that video, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.